Jean-Jacques Dessalines I, where my Haitian Africans at? And
What in the hell is Umar Johnson talking about? Haitian Africans? Where my Haitian Africans at? Since when the Haitians were Africans? And then he's using Jean-Jacques Dessalines out of all Haitians. Out of all Haitians, he's using Jean-Jacques Dessalines to associate the Haitian people with the Africans. Jean-Jacques Dessalines is the wrong Haitian. I repeat, he is the wrong Haitian you want to use to associate us with the Africans. You should use Biloro Congo or someone else, not Jean-Jacques Dessalines. Why? Because Jean-Jacques Dessalines did not associate himself with the Africans. He called his army the army of the Incas or the indigenous army. He didn't call his army army of the Africans or army of Wakanda. Umar Johnson is using sensualism. He's using feelings and emotions. He's not using nothing historical. Let me show you some historical facts. This is from the Haitian Declaration of Independence, right? You could grab this book on the internet. We're going to go to page 242. Let's see how Jean-Jacques Dessalines referred to the Haitian people, all right, in his Declaration of Independence. Let's look right here. Native citizens, men, women, girls, and children. It should really be indigenous citizens because in the original language, which is right here, which is French, what do you see? Citoyen indigène. This is what he refers to the Haitian people as. Let's go to page 244. Let's look. Natives of Haiti. Indigenous of Haiti. You see it right here? This is the French. This is the English translation over here. Let's go to some more historical facts. This is from Dictionnaire de la Révolution Haitienne, which translates into Dictionary of the Haitian Revolution. We're going to go to Dessalines. Now, this is what we are reading here. This is French, and I'm going to translate it, right? This is when Jean-Jacques Dessalines was recruiting men for his army. What it says here is, from the 4,000 men he recruits from the remnants of the former demi-brigade stationed in the region, he forms the embryonic body that he named. What did he name it? Armée des Incas, which translates to Army of the Incas. All right, let's keep going. To increase, Salakia, Army of the Incas, the foundation of what will be called later the Armée Indigène, which is what? Indigenous. So where does the notion that the Haitians are Africans or Jean-Jacques Dessalines being associated with Africans come from? You know where it comes from? It comes from your oppressor. Because even the people who came from the west coast of Africa, they were not Africans. They were the Jews. Let me show you some proof. This is from the Zondervan Compact Bible Dictionary. Let's see what it says about the Africans, which are the descendant of Ham. Let's see. He became the progenitor of the dark races, not the Negroes. So the Negroes who came from West Africa, they were not Africans. They were Jews. But the Egyptians, Ethiopians, Libyans, and Canaanites. It is important to notice here that they made a distinction between these African nation and the Negro. Listen, man, Haitians, we are not Africans. And Umar Johnson, like I said earlier, is using sensualism, emotion, and feelings to associate us with the Africans and some type of African spirituality. We are not Africans, and our African spirituality is not our system. We are the real Jews of the Bible. That's what it is. Shalom.